How to fix Discord keeps loading on your iPhone? Hey there, here's the advanced, quick and easy solution on how to solve the keep loading or not working problem on the iPhone. So let's get started. Before proceeding, make sure that you have a reliable internet connection. If not, open your browser, visit a website or YouTube, and check for loading issues. If the problem persists, move on to the next solution. Enable airplane mode for 20 seconds, then turn it off. Or you can switch your mobile data to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi to mobile data. Solution 1. Try to restart your device. A simple restart can often fix minor software glitches. After restarting, check if your problem is fixed or not, and try the next solution. Solution 2. Update your Discord app. Open the App Store, search Discord. If you find any updates available, then tap on Update. Now open the Discord app. After that, check whether your problem is solved or not. Solution 3. Offload the Discord app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General. Now tap on iPhone Storage. Find the Discord app. Tap on it. Tap on the Offload the app button and tap Offload again. After that, reinstall again and check your problem whether it's fixed or not. Solution 4. Give reset to the network settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer and Reset. Tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. So, this is how you can solve your Discord not opening or loading problem. But still, if you have any issues, then don't forget to write them in the comment section below. And drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.